get ready with me to go to court. So today I have a small trial, and usually I will work out in the morning before I go to work, but if I have to be in court early, I just wake up early and get ready so that I can finish any last minute prep, and then hopefully I will be able to work out after in the afternoon. So sometimes people ask me if I enjoy lawyer shows or movies. I would say more so movies. Shows are good too. I recently finished Suits, but they're not realistic, and that's okay because they're a show. So when you see, for example, they pull a witness last minute, the witness that's gonna say the thing that's gonna save the case, that's usually not true, because lawyers do discovery before trial, and that is when we gather all the evidence in the case, right? So the parties in the case have to exchange a list of witnesses and exhibits, and let's say the other side is using an expert, you get to take their deposition or their witnesses, anybody who has any knowledge about the case. So it's not a surprise at trial. I'm not saying there aren't any, but if you don't disclose a witness or a document, it is likely you will not be able to use that, right? Because we want to be fair. So all of that you see in movies, that last minute person, document, opinion, that surprises everybody, it's usually not real, but still very entertaining. I'm not gonna deny that. But yeah, being a lawyer is just a lot of homework behind the scenes, a lot of preparation before you get to trial. It could be months or years. Most times it's years, at least in civil cases. Not criminal is not my area. So yeah, cases take a long time to get to a level of preparation where both sides have all of the information that they need to actually go in front of a jury. And most cases nowadays settle. Most cases do not go to trial. There's mediation a lot of times. Sometimes when the parties already have to go to trial, they settle on the eve of trial. And that's a good thing. It's a good thing to save judicial resources. And trial is expensive, requires a lot of preparation. So it is good to try and resolve issues beforehand. What about you? What is your favorite legal show or movie? I'm thinking about a funny one, like My Cousin Vinny. It's so good. In shows, the lawyers will have this major revelation or something. The truth is, it's just grunt work. You just gotta do the work. A lot of times, it's not that last minute revelation that you run into. It's just reading the documents and prepping. Also, a really good movie, one of my favorites, but much more serious, is 12 Angry Men. And listen, it is a black and white movie. It is old, but it is so good. If you can watch it, I would highly recommend that movie. I also enjoy shows about politics a lot, even though politics are tricky in real life and in shows too, of course. But I remember The West Wing. I enjoyed so much. That's an old show. Madam Secretary, that's on Netflix. So good. How she's always trying to keep the peace as a diplomat. So that's a good show. But if you're going to law school because you think being a lawyer is all this glam, being in court, giving amazing speeches kind of thing, I hate to tell you, it's just a small part of it. Very small part of it. It has its thrilling moments for sure, rewarding moments, but for the most part, it is hard work. I'm afraid this video is gonna be very long. What is that noise? This is my first Get Ready With Me video. Right. I did not have a good wash and go this week, so just pulled my hair back. This Anastasia Beverly Hills Hush Rose Lip Velvet. It's so good. Highly recommend.